universe presents circumstances and events and scenario in our presence to something we are unconscious. This is deviating from music into philosophy or metaphysics. We are unconsciously aware of it. But they say when we're too close to the forest, it's difficult to see the trees. And in the random scheme of things, this is probably an opportunity that will aid in Good ask question. Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like. That's when you play it like an instrument. Light tends to make an object pop, and darkness tends to ground the object. And you see that commonality in music. Like primarily in the 1-4-5 blues progression. See that? That's a poor